Diabo ma munyina akwa ba edu efiada se ya na ya de nase e mo twedi ampo ye wonya nkropon no se wama Friday asan ba beto e unim se me de afia vim lady kwa abre konfo ba akope ye kom wo mrani musa ntia na ye be kom ba for positive reasons because ye ba be hwa ade ba ko a e kanwa wa ya babodam asase ho asem de na be ma wo to asase de nti na to asase wi a just elanga asaba so eto le bia wo de wanwe a wo moba akwakogu so enso na wo issue de nkra na be mo hu se wo possession of asase no eya wo de ekuta wo nsem ukuta krata no a na asase ne ye wo de a anasa wo ti asase no so a na asase ne ye wo de a na asase wo mansu bia ba bia bia ye be kan wasem am ya ma solution no se de ba uchimbe of fine sase ne asase wo asem ti ama brochefo bebe awa yegu Ghana fo bebe nya problem ama se obi kwa na dwene se won kwa asase wo biem obeto susu a no konya real estate fo bi a na ne waye bi eno nsem nyina enne ye beka ye fra me vim lady afia poka ma lawyer fo na tenase ye krado munti ene wa ha movim ye de nsem nyina beba me wo case na wo case a ubehu avoya sama makwa babi o tede na America no me wo case na ene na de nya me na me wo case una wo case ana ya beka ne papa mu kra ye nyina ye wo case cause Ghana hanom de eti se wiase ba bia obi ti abroche na dadwi nyina ne vision ada eso na ni so ade woni se obenya ba bi ode ne yire ene ne ma ana ne kunu ene ne ma omde omuti beto because ukwa America Canada Europe ba bia rent ankofo tua nyesika ketwa obobra ne de ane so obenya sika no ato mortgage oba ye ne ye krom hanom a ye ni proper housing system nti obi a pass ase kakra intabodan kra na odi esiso sebeyo a obenya ntabodan ana asase ni bi no na ye problem no wo adwempa akoto asase woni problem ochina langas for na no be ya amasama say the police ni ocho uniform ya kochi ni police na won say o we dey abono ya bo no nkasa wo chen na ho a ya bo no boxing ring mu ya bu police ni ma na 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 ho kra de say ya bo no uluzu kra waji usika ba we dey ya bu na ma police ni nanim ade asase ba ko hunti ade nti na tisa wo Ghana ne lawyer opon ewo ahase lawyer opon so de onim so wa ben onye lawyer keke distinguished African scholars oka ho aje se bibire mu ha penifo o maka se o manu duru jomo o mu change policy determine policy oka ho nti ono oba na ase me ma lawyer number da bi ono onye nkura case a just akese se president Mahama ne president Kufuor ne ayi Kufuor Adom case no ye kura case de da bi o ntumi ntua cause ono ba dollars bum ne school no so anko na Canada ne abroche ba bia wa Trump kura any case nti onye lawyer keto na na betna na ma se ene ma na che wa asase mu nsem no lawyer we good afternoon so ho ye de Yakopon Adom ye
ho wife is come up
oh me dasi say mpa bo na ye ko na utu me fusa ya me maso nti say me nim wa gro kra anti me so me ma ukwa no madi wachi a onye so ma wo ye guy aben so
that's also aben it takes obi aben no so obi aben
o da bi aben obi on ma as aben ba me wo de aben lawyer na a big problem which is assassin in fact there was some of the cases and confoni bi e dia bre na first of all Ghana asase problem problem mra no ana ye mra na enya adwuma ana ye nipa na ye nim kwan be fa so beto asase ana what is the issue?
The main issue is saying the lawlessness as a mra na mfanya adwuma papa and corruption any minim way ntino ama in general we are lawless inti asase sunda ko yete se baby a sika wo sisi enkran se asase eno ase me busa me kache makoda bi so nko bisa apartment bi wo cantonments we could do almost say $4,500 a month.
$4,500 a month,
yeah,
which is about 250 million.
Bosome
and
a month for you.
That to good.
A month for almost hono. Once ya cho CD called diplomatic ni ho esika for. But the point is a dying where they won't cry. So in the most down where they know they say Accra dying $50,000. Sorry, plot $50,000. And to obi onye adwuma ya branch e se be wan ko school bi papa bia na so obetimi de 2 million patapa akoworo no nya $50,000 na ope nti na ma na basa no but emra ho so and kwan ho so e de to asase ba wonim kwan no a na manfo sisiw nti ignorance ka ho and lawlessness ka ho and greed so ka ho nti yen tackle sa no ma me nso
yes and okay nti ignorance do nti de chemu say ignorance am yehu say wo koto asase a de na wo se hu na wato asase no
right. The first thing is a asase ese wo check wo kwa asase no so wo kɔ se bibi e wo ho anwea wo ho ebogu so obi adua bibi wo so a eche se obi wo possession ka se possession a obi ayi bibi wo so
okay
and they no sa no men ka se o de ni pensi dan nye obi adia ihwemu se na hwan na de anwea no gu ho hwan na de abo no gu ho na hwan na de akube ana anka ana enua number 1 and na wo se
bibi na aye wo so nye eni se ye dan ko a
David
sa abo wo so anwea wo so anka kube ana dua bie so flowers kura no a echere possession
obi adoso kura so echere possession because asase no no ho nti obi akodo so a echere possession
I see
obi ahyeda aye bibi wo so o kire o ma notice say eye media so ana me no hwe so me hwe no hwe nti no the first thing is me musa do pa corner obi bisa no on rely on nko an to pa ko to ama no ko neighbors no ho
okay
first due diligence and say obeye inquiries pa cho me be say me to asase bi wo ha na mpacha asase ne hwan dia so ubisa nipa 1 2 3 4 5 6 nye da ko ukobe 2-3 times na answer na obenya no consistent and no say ampa we dia na akọ na ka say kwaku say dey kwa me we say kofi on say trouble
okay
the first thing you need unanimous opinion efa asase wura no ho o asase we dia otumfo dia asase we dia vim lady dia no nya ve na akọ na ka say vim lady any sister B, any brother B, any uncle B, any obia, you have a problem.
Because that's just any back on what one on one is sitting here. Okay. Inti pacho normally say, I will busas as you are for us. Oh, where the and we are busia, mena may busia penny, me cry me a ye wafa, mena me chebia, oh, forget us as Anane Gusono, forget the blocks, no, forget the foundation, no cry, Yademan, or Anye into Brabeto, we are sit down also.
Okasa na se wuji dey say o greed and say o ignorance nti enti no men nyini because ono posika eden agi e bia na ho che no pa that day o hiska obo ka che so oba o mebo am wasi me a megina ho am wasi don't believe it that's number 1 number 2 say who say the pakone dia e bia na the pakro o de akosi awowa pledge lien security mortgage e bia na wato am obi dada so and they say o search e wo lands commission into esa okoje side plan no so side plan no so ma menchechimu ye obu ha no the tamale side plan amount se fa koye search
e wa akra
enti we make sure say side plan na what they call lands commission any assassin side plan any assassin enti ma obi a surveyor emra no me susu assassin na nya side plan pe
nti memfa assassin wa ne side plan no de ma ne say no de almighty bia na be den hu se bia nipa na kokofa tamale side plan no dey am say yakra side obede
license surveyor okay obi a oku school na juma wo ya na okuta license nye say obi a onam kwan che friend ho surveyor o obi a license surveyor like say opanyi pacho o say oboka kakra because one more can now cheap a ho be kire o e be say me kwata asase wenti mo na mo susu hama me to mo de feed e be si ho na o mo check o mo peke na o mo de mawa correct
okay
so anya sa e base de bia obo hu na o mo de wrong side plan o ko say chepe e say oh no encumbrance bibi any so na wojin se bi wonya asase ho akiro
I see
ebi no pa kono na asase e wo tamale no de ma o nye de okumase ana nkran no de ma o nti number 2
nti eno ye 2 the first one check first say bibi wo so a kwa asase ne so second one je side plan ko search na mpacho o ka say bia no o de asase na kosia wawa even say wan kosia wawa bank ana microfinance ana financial institution ne bia wo fa asibi esika no akoje obi sika no akoje no mo nta anya pepa ho and obey the search obey the
the first thing I was saying is say odipa krono ese obusa no e wo adansefo nim nipa adanse wo ho no obusa ne se pepa cho bebre asase no odi akosia wo wa
okay
odi akọ bank akojisika obi de okana odi obi kana wakoje ese obusa no okase David a ohun agreement the next thing be agreement no so we agreement ese e tro mo say free of encumbrances meaning say bibia assassino
the agreement na won ne be ye na wo se ya tro wo mu
esa wo lawyer tro na so wa tro wo mu se assassino nye obi adia e na me fa nkosi awowa e na obi ane me kana me da assassino ko gina ho so ho me ne assassino nye obi na me ne share so ho ni na esa wo agreement no do ko search ni wie hwan o search ho de mi che de men ka se oh me prepare me ho search ni nyama nti wo de metia David
lawyer ye nye o na prepare ho omo ankasa asasefo no no ka cho se ko si wan si a say obo cross me am ma langa asefo no no abegina so
but history na de kasa we hwe Ghana experience a omo pepre omo ho a omo kosi no obo ho ana land guard for na nsem bebre enti wo pese wo to asase correct legal way na mecheche mu no wo mpe trouble so enti wo ko search ni na wonya search no ba ma obi a okọ school a oni mu no nyere en reading ma already wo na sa ampa papa na wo ka say ni dia na ni dia ampa asase ne da ho fenchim a next year say wo ye ne say wo be test ground no so you can say test ground and say when wo ba betu amena wo bo foundation wo betwa nnua wo be CBB wo so
okay
wo see the dako wo see ni be 3 months so wo see we kaka
na mo bi ehun say wo so take possession
awia kete na we de pampan na we
into okasa mo me na anadwo amenye
na one is that anadwo pampan na mo ye na me de na cast cover ni hwa nwe go now the boys be briaba and this obi and asase a acha 1 month 2 months 3 months no pay hey media obi pay for 2 3 we sit down baby no obi pay 2 3 months like I say why is no more in area like I say ampa anywhere need
I see
and the
3 steps na mama here fourth one
sika no men ko fa sika no obo ha no posa oh menyes mampa ma na e say me ntoe
obi beje
no the skin like about boom ojia it's so difficult to get money back so because the law just say nipa ko ade no ho no need dia possession is 9 over the law and I face no nipa ko no be court I feel no back follow no sika no hold that o I want to make court crampo
yeah
and sika no munya agreement no try the kakra so first payment in there a commitment fee and said also be
asala we ne sade ni onya asase nto ko asase
that's why yen asase be
sisi ayi konko achiri konko isle go how ko nya asase na da kwan wa o se me je no cash na isle me de mo bi
isle go asase na unu say aban asase
isle go no nyina
abaje e di say o ko na wako check ni na ko na obi da wa waji usike di free so until I say some search no so be I search na to bo ase se be o pass ase a na wa hwe na usika loser na unya na mfim wa hwe na wako court ni ho ahwan but we follow some steps we are
okay
and deposit na make no is negotiable so depending on the strength na so obo ha na ni fie ni and a plot dan chain and a turn half of the plot no and a half of it no and no search nko to say obi a so
okay
okay side plan na 2 plots and we sit down about so
okay
okay certificate na 2 plots and we sit down and one certificate no order that
okay
and you no call lands commission and pass away in the empire fraud
no
chia and near fast but sasa sit da ho a bibie ni so now prepare ho dia ho be kire
okay nti wa fast process ni wa chia wa start odan we see bibi the registration process wa ankasa say nipa no wato nti say wo nipa ndi mu kra fe na wo transfer e de aba wa wo die ma no so process ni te say
no be call lands commission assuming say what decide planner e so maokrata be an agreement and indenture and deed bi
okay
sa krata na be call the lands commission aka just assess ma to and we side plan ni and who agreement ni no ma hwem say ampa no ma start e be file amount na sika on be gene stamp ni no no kai be bia ka e fast e brocha e sisi anan ko ma wie it's Ghana dey it me chepa
Ghana
it me che na emom umpo e say we register and you know however long it takes you know we call lands commission we be start so no more be file na no more receipt no more corner bra e dey call her department now follow up so says we near daje na da ma obi a wa daje no follow up and nya dey say we ye bibia e say we dey cut
na utua hu sika no ne ade wo lands wo
we tua say abanji sika e na say be omo ya small omo no so no asma for no so mo sika so
na lawyer no so na anya mre no ti da ya esi goro boys bi wo ministry na ka so mo bia ni goro boys nya adwuma but ti say process ya okay on that wa ka kra na for people time ko wa ni za dia okay aya paper so dia na okay no ba ko ho no mo a enti sa enti ye be na enforce say ye the right thing cause I want to kwa obetia na minimum bia watua over 100 million from krata nko ahụ besi na kra ayi ne sanka indenture mpo
wow na be say indenture dey what be call
asase ni wa no kra farmer no
na dey no to me waja asase na what so na
onya ntra so but wa ma no dey wa ayi first side plan any receipt e chese wato we oni indenture
on say area na team no ho area life na hard so intino so nsam ye mra
boom.
That's right. And he said, oh, 10 million, 100 million more beer. Why not? Obeji, but that was so. But so person would youokrata. I said, would they go kudi ganama? So, in team fashion, also be in danger. Now, mamma was saying, Pacho made 5,000 over. That may do no money in danger. More mamma and my day. Let me see come on. Name what is the kind of man on fine danger, ma. Then what's the rush incentives of the mount? To know every while, any apple your hono. Because he need just as I said, greed. Oh, I can't be. You need a corner come in no by me in general. But Lands Commission on any Lands Commission problem, a official problem. Baby, bureaucracy will be in Krata, Semo will be not Ghana for 65%, because 70, or could school papa bia. And I could school crown pa, how many times about could you know, say, manager any ho, director any ho, or best hano. Nipa be any time and now third parties here from Goro boy almost it mean jumano because the system is inefficient. Delay no dorso no control so dorso. So nti ba o miss dey bia obenya nkrofo because o metima bo metima ko fast and pass so obu ha o this kamana it make go fast. Nti say be eliminate one day this system no be den efficient answer. Okay.
Nti allow all this process ye wo baby party Lands Commission wa ko a wonim say e ho de okwa konkrata na e be yama.
Is there particular commission divided into departments? Okay. And see, Odo land Okrata no quack. First department, no no be a file amount. Okay. No more be refer to the next step, And do first one who was a koha. If you have a bekoha, and don't want to be steps.
Not then no more sir. Because Africa's distinguished African scholars, more ya critical. More to me recommendation because any one-stop shop. Near say if you now one. Na kwane sa de
ba emphasis here no a assassin kwa a land site plan kwa say survey say omo check no make sure say ampa in the survey department ho and mapping survey ho and na do baby so omo be just finance department so ho so they say any no cre me purchase the all kind of metiase but it's not because of the departments no departments in there is for division of labor good nemum nipa na omo ye adwuma baby no so obey no ho obeka no ho no be adwuma no correct no and yet question of recommendations no so Ghana law no e defa registration ho dey correct oh yeah but baby abeko Ghana bia whether it's in Swasi or Srasi baby ye na Ghana for no and na e ma no ma dey complicated so me with theory be if no nonsense consensus as such as I don't hear nonsensical na man for a consent because one want to say okay the baby no ma complicated
didimu
hey, Krata, we share. You know who I say the corner come up manager, the call director, and the boss, and son. I wish you need with the corner bra. Now, hope 3 days of friend. Oh, and you baby, what is a content one? What the brabby who so, but you're very name. Sa illiteracy, inefficiency, a bribery, anyone in a man in my opinion, but you have to go through the process. And there's a land issue in there, they're okay. We want to be solving and then no, if it's my solving, I say solving the human problem.
The human problem solve some bedo medidi. And how can consensus people have consented say ombe didimu. Nti ya solve ya emwa omo.
There be o. Enye Ghana, enye Lands Commission kwa o. Okay. Baby abeko Ghana bia. Ewo ho. Nti we have to solve the Ghanaian problem of lawlessness. If me Debbie come say duty of care. So your Lord, don't you say duty of care. We don't have there's a failure of duty of care in Ghana. So, onipa no so anyi sika mfim wa emfa no ho. Do the Krata no koto ho a when we say application so hwem and so we kra no that ho because onye be free dem baby foforo bi ho so a oye na djuma because ye tua ne ka I swear off so be djuma ne ye ho nti yen train ye ho yen sakra na yen djuma no fenchem ebeboa but in the meantime no okoto asase a look you have to go through the process but more importantly who sika sidan na tena so Krata no be che
nti sidan no Let's so bra ye and
that's right. Now okasa wo twen 2 years 3 years obeba na obi afasase.
Balo eno so na amalanga asasem na ba no.
Baby o se na make say wo ye sa normal me nsa ye kan nyina na ampa ni pakọ ne dia. Langa bi ani.
Bala utumi ye unim say side plan say omo fake wom. Indenture omo fake wom. Nti wo ye ordinary person wo be de hu. Se nipa no ukọ chese ukọ agro boys you good. Nti we dey fa we bra na menyela
but your lawyer ho.
Nti o so ko hu lawyer
surveyor ho licensed surveyor obi a okuta license to surveyor ho Lands Commission so ho ena nipa kono so a woto asase fi no ho no na meka inquiries afia poka ho nipa otiase or family or eso esa research ni nyina nyese okoya de krata ma wa no waso oh what's asase na media na wafa ena meka sa test ground no so na hwe so ho for Langard for no de asase na wo de ampa na omo ba omo timi nya ohwe so dispute wo ha ena omo side one section edit here another section
okay internet says ukoto asase na ti owe ohini we wawu and we no the man of us na no of us the man we na so ohene na wawu be 100 years ago ni di na wo so a oya saman oni won intimento
there be say akonya de wonu say eto so in perpetuity me bo a enye ohene na otele so na mu akonya na nkasa enti em fan say otumfo asase a say tutu the first the man still second one is bound by it so as the presidency in Ghana aban any de obeba bia omoto aso na emom
la membrane anto aso na mama you know because your family and nkonya ensase bebre ewa abusa focus so awo check me wo case and your live Adom TV na o sa ase no asem na ye beka esisie ye behwe estate companies o mo ha no mo so bunko fafa so me wo case and ne frayen na ma ye hu o case abusiafo ya mamu nyina akwa babio still me wo case ana ewo Adom TV so na de ye nyina ye wo case cause asase de a problem baby e de ati beto nti ene ye bre yo ye kwa ye ba wo chiwo yem kom utu susu se de ba obenya kakra na de nya asase eye quarter plot mpa unim so obetimi de esi chemba ho half plot so a obetimi de esi 2 bedroom enti nya easy o ye bre wo Ghana because ye krom hai mortgage o mo ye na brochi lawyer ti o matena brochi ebi ni ha uti anye yesu na ukopon wansen kwa ye mortgage ya be ya ye kotu na lawyer kra ye ko break no kan dollars pay na just all the we ase abeba ube wurade esisi o kroma doors na one day o say yera attachia obekire mu de nti a yase mo obi anye dollar enso na nkofo asase nkra Islam asase na kwa dollar kosakumo no dollar sprinters dollar enso yase me anye dollar o ni nyina ya asase wansem ti numbers ni from ye wo problem a lawyer wa ha lawyer onyo nkra case nso me o case nti ye manama free advice yo we wo ko no office kwa ntumi bi epuno kokokokra ntumi mo cause wo bebo kokoko no $1,000 wo be bi epuno na mo another $1,000 wo ma akonyo abetena so $1,000 into unyense kase wo num tea amo aka wa $5,000 onya kra case no ye senior multi say bilingual lawyer baby a honum enti Mr. Free Bonto ene e dem afrey 0302 211 701 0302 211-701 ekosi 704 mashada because as I sit there me pesa obeko no asa ko mistake 0302 211-701 702 703 kosi 704 emu bia frɛ na lawyer nchecho mu lawyer sister bi wo so ordinana o so to land e wo yarifa be 4 years ni obi anya na twin so oje asase na free no ho de obi anso ma so obeje but anytime bi obeko asase no so no na man bi man no to asase e wo no ho no waka che so ontua 500 Ghana cedis normal langas for emebo asase no ban e ma no enya sa de a enya de a obetimi secure asase no de ma no obusa se ontua langas sika no o pay answers cause they say anoko nim asase no ya ne de o so wa attach copy of indenture no ne ade nyina to first any cases no I just say onim say woman indenture but say correct indenture on the onim say what to asase papa so extra 500 Ghana cedis for langas
okay it's langas de enye papa so between kama langas and I mean the India on the asase ne dia no so ntua na am say papa na kase ontua ma langas no ntino so wan kutu sika na ma papa na if papa na kase ba ko fa langas avere guso in the best thing is say so papa no can say security and of so the mana nsem bi wo ho a say sika no odema papa na ni police for make police nisi ba do brabo mo de obako hu mpanyimfo se bia momra na momeboa me na bia monyi ntonso no ma na bibisa na antese asase no hwe so wan kwa asase no so antese asase no hu papa ne de anya ne dia sika no fo papa na mom nyese land guard nti
mo mfie nan na watena ho a o se me wa asase na nya enough o so okoye bibi o so asase
yesi mato donko e wesire what is asem ne da what mean ka say me wa asase wo wuram enya wo dia it's not yours until you possess it practically na make no legally obeti me say that obo ha was say certificate
so
to me koso obi ti so enti sika no onwen say security sika e bia watchman sika so ho ode papa na nka e na face ode nka ne enye se bia na ekoma 500 no cha kasa ko fa another 500 another 500 so ho no ode bia obon ka no na fa no why ne koko sika so ho na emo mo nka say ode man land gas ko land ya criminal
ampa ntina police for crime say anti langas unit oh yeah on beto yem family Achumesi ye beba sister Gladys bi so ha no so okay Mr. Achumesi good afternoon we
fine afternoon
o ga say free
free
Jaboso mo what dey koko ni gold ho asem so mo problem but you okay so no
fine afternoon the problem is free Jaboso
abeni Mr. Achumesi lower TV nyasa TV no be block yi ubetie na lower no oi
case me koko program.
Lower no.
Case me koko program. Hello,
Mr. Achumesi etie o.
I'm say yourself say na obi course so. If you there say 25 years. Nto kwa asase so no, e dey asem ko o mahina na e wo ha nanim. E dey asem no ebuya no for say won fira asase so. Sata ne yesusa enkwalenti onfia sase no so saa besi na no ya be mfie mienu nie ye course wora so kokko na ho na wu na twekoko no twekoko ne se adi asase ya ori yakoko sem bitumo ni na me ho ne ye bitima rafa
but e wo court dia ye ntumi nka ho asem o because enkrata na ogina nsama enkrata na odo court ye ni copy e wo se ehu na lawyer tumi abo amu die de ogina so mra kro ogina so ode ma court no nti je sa ode no ba why
okay
yeah that's it you better another person me mo me ko sister Gladys say auto 2 plots of land from estate company lawyer na me busa estate for yi wo mo ne nam ene ye estate company ene ye ton asase Accra ha estate company bi betimi aka so ton asase say kaso the problem the social land commission mo reporter central region number 1 land dispute sa estate companies no ye wo mra bi e hye wo mo kwan fa so a e wo so wo mo gi asase ne ton wo mo obi sa Is that okay? Mama first Poker. Is that okay? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Monsieur.
It's saying.
If I try you.
Yeah, dear, what do you mean name? Now they what you call you come for.
Come you me papa e di asase amame. Wa ye bibia se so wo ye. Wa hand you over in denture na asase na ho. The size plan me bibia amame afide. Me papa na si. Yo di ade ne say o mame fa asase no. Say man sworn in me twem me hu kwan ya me fa atem ne fa so kra pacho me die no
na but you say handi over bibia the amount die ne handi over amount die na de ma
me wie ye no anche e no free
da bi on pacho die no handi over amount cause ye ntu ya fe anu keke handi asasi over asasi je banche nti die no de ma wo
me pacho o ma me asasi no site plan eno mama indencha
na bacho o papa na ni di na wasase no so
me bacho ai ni di so na lands commission ho
okay ti lo
and so di odi na ade ne say on farmer me
what's the reason
didn't no say on farmer we
ye class say ye church asem a wo say sabre na me papa de ma wa amfa na ma me kire no say wo di asase na ma no afen so no onu ne di na ade onu ne di ne sika ye ne ho aye ni bibi enti asase no fa mame asem ni nyina ni
na bacho asase na nkasa no papa ti ase na eye no krese ne dia na eye busia asase ye di onu ni di ye
omu ye anuafo miensa ene omu to asase no obebi baako enti eye miensa ene obia ye da ho enso bi papa nyia na odi na ade onu ne de ka ho miensa onu no pese ofa me papa de ne nka ne de no hu mienu na ne nia ba so mfa ba
okay nti bacho
papa free mu ne die o mu mfa ne de ne mame ama se say adani problem ke see pa
e shada anya problem bi alo a so betimi a chema
de di kan say de odi na de no ni tumi esen ne papa no so ho e na say ampasa ne papa de a na okuta ho nkrata de no anso be fa lawyer na wakokot the tosumi no so no kata ne dia no on take possession of the land on make steps of taking possession of the land obi person stop na onye injunction en enfentia no
that's all it is apokia o case ana ya solve no lawyer say injunction ko trans aseno so nti ko ye bibi start so ko ye foundation say ayi what they said or the adifo no so wonte ase a fa ne court junction ti ano sansemfo no ye so so wo de na obi so won de a o se nti na law no e wo ho no ye fa another person. Hello, good afternoon, Auntie Mercy.
Oh, good afternoon. Adwa to say.
Afie
Efa.
me ba jo Auntie Mercy.
For me to be okay.
Aha, me enti okay.
Ni say. Me ye adwuma wo institution be financial institution. You company be sa estate developers bi. And back at the ya wo moto asase. Ye na ko gije asase ni bi. Etuaka amoma me side plan. Enti ni mi ko tua indenture ne nso ka. Omo de indenture no e baaye. Enti omo de baaye, to be frank, I say me wo bi a ododo so ma me. Me nso no man hwe indenture na stamp si mo all right. Me nso me nim wo me ho no mo me dia to baabi kura. Enti mra oni a ododo ho no e be ka chem say we hu say obi to block. And I say me nti ase. Enti me call company ne ho a well-known company bio e wo kuntun se me call ya papa ne say asase no ndi onim say waton enti no odi ama nsawam commander police commander bi atom odi ama no and am say me ma to ade wa ma me we say side plan wo ho me wo bi a ododo so for the past years a ododo so ma me sika ne na me nya bi a me the best start because of Nkolani school as a munti. And the bacho, Auntie Mercy. Auntie Mercy. Or the police commander be an adamfo. In some police commander after assassin or the amano. Auntie Mercy. Krata now say company no estate company ne demand krata ben. Omo mama side plan. Side plan pe. Side plan assassin side plan. One omo sama ya indenture. Bacho share minimum wo side plan and indenture no one man edia shedi a wo so se nipa kro no to mo company no omudin ene wo asase no so ana company ni din na wo so Kwans estate ene ya asase no de maame. Okay, nyabo chelo ya cause most of the companies estate companies they me say omo indenture no aya omudin ni so cause some of them are in the process of proper acquisition. Inti no manya MOU with ahemfo no so betimi aye so they do the indenture with ebia hwan way with nipa no so they themselves don't have nimo that rule no they don't have the locals to pass property because omuni you know
but they all can say the question I'm asking me is or say okọ papa no ho no papa ben a company ni wura na say one of
company ni director na nkata director na nkata
ayo emra no che say ondupra ko wato asase ma no ontimi ntom mo bi foforo bio
baby
mamem tu for why enti no una odi bem the trust me no say what you sika na we na okuta indenture dia oni tumi ani ekwan emra ma no kwan so obesa kwa asase no so and na face no what take possession when you obi do ho no notice
okay
so enti ondupra ko na oba beto asase no he had notice commander no e wo notice say obi e wo so na bia na wanka no kro na ankyere commander no say na na do so enti entrobam so na constructive notice wom enti mo nyeja no so pass asase ne dia patweme asase ne e wo dia fakọ court
okay asase also one sign in danger ne surveyor ne de isajwa
is that fear
hello fear also ne surveyor no e de danger ne breme no na ono sign
enti na me kwa me see musa say indenture na wo claim say okuta na the kind of indenture cause obetimi am people be ada say indenture
eye 4 and all the breme ya no bibia document fine stamp one company ni stamp bom
but mbacho woni ebe ya mayemfa indenture kro no nche lawyer no on testify say ampa say proper indenture
me or the mama no me dia kokofodua
the phone akre
me to won kan
ya de to nkan Auntie Mercy o to dia kokofodua na si sen
and I almost in the process I've paid for that this thing I've paid it's 2 plots okay I've paid for it and there is one is in process
okay and your lawyer so wo case nti pe lawyer na omo enforce because what do so the obi ntumi meje
I do just for all this while
Ati Mercy wo case. Why nti pe lawyer na omo hwe na ya nyi wasase ne ma. Dabi we dia no case wo anya case kra. No make say lawyer say 5,000 who just say why a big lawyer no na do nom name Mahama mu case no oyenti. Ya me pe lawyer for frama why?
Mate. Enti me dem menya o.
Wo de wi anu afre why?
Yo mate.
Me da say Auntie Mercy. Auntie Mercy de no so betimi afre 0302 211 701 and 704 702 703 mu bia betimi afre na so de aba Sister Gladys so ono so eto 2 plots of land and also estate companies na e man 2 plots of land wa amasaman almost say or the 5 pieces of blocks akogu say they okay say take possession or take possession but me fe kusi Brakusi. Hello Brakusi, good afternoon.
Yeah, Kweku.
Me when you kwaku na da obeso sem o dane me be ma wi akata ba den. Me voice that is a bema but me bobo ma ya santo level what it me nya bema oba pa
Auntie Fia.
But you answer your question no.
Yo, the fam Kweku na motin there. Me class asibi wo no sete kakraba. Into my order for said no honor mekaji in yancha and inside plan no signed by the chief. As in me already my process made land commission or post land commission. Lands. Me call ya what say side plan no or yeah fake side land. Side plan was mamma. It is not from their end. And young they have no the signature on the side plan is not from there.
I see.
Into or fourth side plan why am.
And two person who say who case ana.
Mpacha
jina soma me ne entwe ho na lawyer mednya bo chechecho mwate. Nsa so wasam ene ye ni abrepa ye kan obia case e de ama no. Enti aka akra me akono brakwa ku case ode ba ye na me busa lawyer won cheche be wi a Sister Gladys wo ato 2 plots of land. Brakwa go down wo ayi ahoma so mbo a. Brakwa ku. Tawo down wo ahoma no so.
Mpacha ni.
Sambo case nto fa bi o mame.
But asam ni nyina ne said me to asase e ogu mo fete omo aye ndanche wie ene side plan bibia ma me me tia bibia signature bibia omo so omo de akọ lands o kedkus afi me ye me koji ya na me de call court ama omo say me ye magana forces no de call omo office e wo omo camp o omo de call ma sign lawyer sign bibia omo de akọ court e wi aba sign. No, madam, me found Cape Coast Land Commission.
Okay.
Me call ya. Very fortunate for me, you know. One of the guys or office or on the class or Methodist. See, on the man, and I said they be signature and the board signature. But I call follow up on me.
Not just a lawyer, no cry who says signature, no, and okay, lawyer, they won't know.
Lawyer, not see, I'm saying. Oh no, the man I'm not saying no. This signature is not my boss signature, but all the same, you know, I'll go and trace it and we'll take it from there. Until as at last week, I'm a friend and me said, because it's not so we are called through now. Land in the campo, the chief that signed the land, the professional, and you know now, on your money, sign it. He's not supposed to sign that part.
Where they fraud Adom. Eti mami musa lawyer say side plan here fake signatures in correct.
Signature no yeah. I was there when the chief himself signed. According to the man, he says signature no. Was no. That is not supposed to sign that.
Say Brako kuye wa him for me gazetted. Any or more me gazetted. Into command feature hini bia gazette. Esan mawa. Una usika kodi date. But here the lawyer bekanya aboche mame. Lawyer
because I didn't fake 3 different levels. The decano, assassino, any description no assassin, a walker and any assassin match. Nana make can say be an assassin that Hannah Hon hand the Tosum you know. If it my signature no, say regional license surveyor.
Okay.
Until license surveyor, be any abon the dim and Nimiyoko. A bia on the Dina Shahono, Ubia co science on one and your one. So, and the Tosumi and Sano. If it my basse, the Pacona. Side plan now, because Sayano, and just a side plan and a second assassin day. Echo. Now, Bassana, a simple issue. It's all coba, but we are more assassin a man. And Cratana, my demand, and the medical lands commission, and me register. And either some obey the papa mammy, and ask them from Sicania. And yen to Baku, say when you answer no, or say some go back
to ahemfo no na ma omonye correct thing na o ka chom say ade yes e fake we ni anye ye enti anya omofo sika amana ko pass asefo for why
ba che yo me that ya me
yes that's pa so be to asase amade sister Gladys so no so to asase 2 plots amasaman or the 500 pieces of block na gu so afa de okoba ya ye jiri ya yam blocks ni nyina a level
500 no so
500 no so baby ade ni sika be so no no oma yam ni nyina another group bi so abasa asase ne eyo omodia say so hunu de onya no ho ana ni sika so akwa mo ma geni sika say so onya nden
onko company no onko geni sika simple matter because obi to asase mawa or warranty say or declare say asase ne dia okoso obia how and we no kire say nkrofo for asase ne yomo dia unsa na make sense na obetu sika no make sure so be kwa asase so akwa inspection inquiries asase ho dia the fact is a company no and kire say omo otumi asase so your lobby nemo that code non habit as I say you can't give what you don't have into no company no or jiffy or hene ho e bo she panyi ho and asase wura ho is asase wura na ese asase wura no se nyane dia company ni hwe and menyi madwin say enam say company nti no matafi omo ho a bibia problem bia maso company eti say nipa so it me di ntro e bi e papa e bi e bone so and menyi madwin say oh company omo ba TV so there be no to be advert share we are see bone.
What happened to that companies no omo sisi nkrofo because that estate companies omo ton asase bebre o obi ana me wasase na litigation free we dey man su ni ho om de ba yen so radio fo ni TV fo ni aka o we man su ni ho ni aka enso yen ko so da ye dey tie ba bi no omo se yen advert nti mra bi any estate companies no
mra bebre o ho didi kan no say ade no man so na ka se man su ni so a misleading advertising etiamra so ho and I face a fraudulent. And I face a negligence. And the more repeat this, this what I say, almost say manzuni ho. Now, Momo Kaka say manzuni ho. Most of me are bonnet.
It's your grano.
As some of
your case.
More case.
I was almost say manzuni. I see.
Never can say, if your pocket will be with them ladies, I say, where the man's be any ho. No, I say, own him. I say,
my deep bonnet.
But the point in it, even Kramaka say manzuni ho. Go and check. There will law say, buyer beware. Caveat empty. What means now? I say manzuni. What now? I say manzuni. Never sorry. Ghana zone say manso. So go and do your due diligence. And so why you do diligence now? This is kakoma oma. That's why you assassin. For court. Court so. After that, call lawyer. Anyway, that prevention is better than the cure. And we more making sure say and salaries come mobi or a company or your hinio or was your penny. Do your due diligence. Number one, any kind of assassin so. No go inquire. So why dia? Who said? Ebi woso obi asidan block guso o dey ndea
edua menke kura woso a
bibia woso a be careful. Number 3 Collins Commission na ko search sika so betua tia ne kakra the toso 9 no start see bibi nso the block go guso ye bibi so we are no more here you be protected and yes na ka say oh almost say how nice almost the picture show he down no see the city a like say one here a fool and his money are soon pass it. You mean in this can check na eden no muntu matete.
Oh right. I am my manager keke. But I was some catcher na nado ene mahama ni mpanifo na aba say estate companies is nkrofo nti e brazo so omo nchichi estate companies so no.
Dabi. A business no omo ye na omo say ye wasase wa ha. E na me kire say o kan so wasase no we advertise no ye o. On so on san ko fa ni san she obotom ko yusika. Enti wo mo na we panyin. Me hye so mo to asase. Said there are 3 laws, but me remind me about you have the right to be wise, you have the right to be foolish, and the wise have the right to exploit the foolish as long as they do so legally. And to a mrama kwasa obe jimini, and a mrama kwasa obe nyansani, and a mrama kwasa nyansani bede, ebesisi jimini for.
And what na why jimini for ni esisi wa.
And bedani nyansani menane jimini.
I was ever me case and I had a word to the white said you be kind no. A footwo sakra ni page say social but we dey me footwo no sakra lawyer upon any twetwe nkoma na wa boy pa me hu law no nyina mu distinguished scholars ampa omunya ni packet obi say Yakobon ya adom a ye be hye bi ma se dan nkoma production team ni nyina ene mambro ni ene eja camera woman papa kama kase si ne ko ene ya damase ya ma mu nyina mo ene hwe Yakobon ya adom next week ye beto asugwe me o case ana ene e from vim lady